Congratulations! You found your way to a profound truth that many search for, but few truly uncover. The twin flame journey is as mystical as it is transformative, and hidden within this path are teachings and insights that bridge the gap between you and your divine counterpart. Today, we will reveal the hidden lectures that guide twin flames toward union, weaving in real-life examples to bring these lessons to life. Whether you're in separation, preparing for reunion, or simply seeking clarity, these teachings hold the key to understanding and deepening your connection. Let's begin this sacred journey together. The lecture on energetic alignment, the first step to union. The first hidden lecture emphasizes the need for energetic alignment. It teaches that your energy must be balanced and harmonious to prepare for a physical or spiritual connection with your twin flame. This involves aligning your masculine and feminine energies and healing your inner wounds. Jennifer felt constantly drained in her connection with her twin flame, James. She realized she was overgiving, embodying too much of her nurturing feminine energy while neglecting her boundaries. After practicing daily meditations to balance her masculine energy, focusing on self-discipline and inner strength, Jennifer noticed Jack became more responsive, reflecting her newfound balance. Inner harmony creates the foundation for external connection. Focus on your solar plexus and sacral chakras to balance self-worth and emotions. The principle of polarity. Everything is dual, everything has poles. Balancing your inner masculine and feminine energies creates harmony in your external relationships. The sacral chakra is the second chakra in the body's energy system. Located in the lower abdomen, just below the navel, it is associated with the emotional, creative, and sensual aspects of life. This chakra governs how we relate to ourselves and others, our ability to enjoy life's pleasures, and the flow of creative energy. Practice solar plexus cleansing to boost personal power and sacral chakra healing to balance emotions. Soul contracts. Understanding the agreement. The next lecture explains that twin flames share a sacred soul contract, a pre-incarnational agreement to help each other evolve. While this contract often involves challenges, it ultimately leads to growth and fulfillment of your soul's purpose. Ram and Anita were stuck in a cycle of miscommunication and arguments. After discovering the concept of soul contracts, Anita began to reflect on what Ram's actions were teaching her about herself. She realized he was helping her confront her fear of abandonment, a wound from her childhood. With this awareness, she began to heal, and their dynamic shifted to one of mutual understanding. Challenges in the twin flame connection are opportunities for growth and healing. Focus on your crown chakra to connect with divine guidance and understand your soul's purpose. The principle of cause and effect. Every cause has its effect. Every effect has its cause. Soul contracts are designed to resolve karmic debts and guide you towards spiritual evolution. A twin flame relationship represents a deep soul contract where two individuals mirror each other's strengths, weaknesses, and spiritual paths. This connection often involves intense emotional and energetic dynamics that require alignment, balance, and harmony. Use the 662 Hz Subliminal linked below to activate your crown chakra as it promotes relaxation and eliminates negative vibration. Whilst listening to this, feel your soul contract and the release of any resistance to its lessons. The lecture on the mirror effect. Seeing yourself in your twin flames are mirrors, reflecting back both your light and your shadows. This lecture teaches that the connection will surface unresolved fears, insecurities, and past wounds, urging you to confront and heal them. Mary noticed that her twin flame, Michael, often triggered her feelings of inadequacy. Whenever he distanced himself, she felt unworthy. Through shadow work, Mary realized these feelings stemmed from her own self-doubt. As she worked to build her confidence, Michael's behavior began to change, reflecting her inner growth. The twin flame connection is a mirror for your inner world. Focus on your heart chakra to process emotions and cultivate unconditional love. The principle of correspondence, as within, so without. Healing your inner wounds transforms the external dynamics of your connection. The meditation on twin hearts, developed by Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui, is a transformative tool for healing past wounds, reclaiming personal power, and balancing emotional energy. By activating the heart chakra and crown chakra, this meditation brings high-frequency divine energy into your energy system, cleansing emotional blockages, releasing trauma, and restoring inner balance. It empowers release emotional blockages and foster self-love. Journeying through the lectures found in the Twin Flame Journey may bring to mind your own experience. Have you noticed any of these in your Twin Flame Journey? How did you apply and overcome? What did you learn from that experience? Be sure to comment below for the next person, and we may create a video on it. Whilst there, download our free Diamonds Manifest with Ease guide. Details are in the description below. Divine timing, trusting the process. This lecture highlights the importance of divine timing in the Twin Flame Journey. The connection unfolds according to the universe's plan, ensuring that both partners are ready for union at the right time. Patricia spent years longing for her twin flame Ryan to return. It wasn't until she focused on her own personal growth, building her career and cultivating joy in her life, that Ryan reappeared. When they reconnected, they both felt more aligned and ready for a deeper relationship. Trust in divine timing and the universe's wisdom, activating your crown chakra to deepen your faith in the journey. The principle of rhythm. Everything flows, out and in. The twin flame connection follows a natural rhythm that cannot be rushed. Meditation on twin hearts is a powerful spiritual tool that can help you connect with divine wisdom and deepen your faith on the twin flame journey. The twin flame path is often one of profound transformation, emotional intensity, and spiritual growth. It requires trust in divine timing and alignment with a higher purpose. Twin Hearts meditation facilitates this by opening your energy channels, activating your crown chakra for divine connection, and fostering unconditional love and understanding through the heart chakra. Meditate on the crown chakra to surrender control and embrace divine timing. The lecture on surrender, letting go to reconnect. Surrender doesn't mean giving up on your twin flame. It means releasing the need to control the outcome. This lecture teaches that surrendering allows the connection to unfold naturally and creates space for both partners to heal and grow. Tom realized his constant attempts to fix his connection with Karen were creating more distance. After practicing surrender, focusing on his own well-being and trusting the process, he found that Karen began reaching out more without any pressure from him. Letting go of control fosters harmony and alignment. Activate your sacral chakra to release attachments and cultivate emotional balance. The principle of vibration. Nothing rests, everything vibrates. Surrender raises your vibration and aligns you with the flow of the universe. Cleanse the sacral chakra to release fear-based attachments and foster emotional freedom. Unhealthy attachments through these cords can sap your energy, perpetuate emotional pain, and keep you stuck in limiting patterns. The high-frequency energy generated during the meditation helps you transcend lower vibrational connections, making it easier to release attachments that no longer serve you. Cord cutting allows you to align more fully with your higher self and divine purpose, free from the distractions of toxic attachments. To support you with this, we have created an easy-to-follow guide for the Salt Shower Protocol, which can be found for free on our Patreon page. All you have to do is sign up as a free member. Details are in the description box below and by clicking here. Did you know 90% of you watching right now aren't subscribed yet? If you're vibing with this content, hit subscribe. It's the simplest way to support the channel and stay in the loop. Shared purpose, aligning with your mission. Twin flames are often brought together for a higher purpose. This lecture explains that focusing on your shared mission, whether it's creating, teaching, or healing, can accelerate your path to union. Sunita and Adam discovered they both had a passion for environmental advocacy. When they began collaborating on projects together, their connection deepened and their purpose became a unifying force. Union is not just about romance, it's about shared purpose and service. Focus on your throat chakra to express your truth and align with your mission. The principle of cause and effect. Your actions aligned with your purpose ripple outward, bringing you closer to union. Meditate on the throat chakra to clarify your purpose and align with your twin flames mission. During meditation on twin hearts, visualize your throat chakra glowing with blue light, helping you express and fulfill your purpose. Deepening your intuition helps you discern the authenticity and purpose of incoming connections, ensuring alignment with your soul's journey. Whether connecting with a new person, opportunity, or life purpose, your energy field must be open, clear, and aligned to attract and embrace meaningful relationships. I trust my intuition to guide me toward meaningful connections. I release all fear and resistance, and I welcome the love, opportunities, and relationships aligned with my highest purpose. Unconditional love, the key to union. The final lecture emphasizes that unconditional love is the cornerstone of the twin flame connection. It's a love that transcends ego, expectations, and fear, creating a space for true union. Anna struggled to accept her twin flame, Sanjay, during their separation. Through inner work and self-love practices, she cultivated unconditional love for herself and for him, even from afar. When they reunited, their connection was more harmonious than ever. Unconditional love transforms the twin flame journey and paves the way for union. Activate your heart chakra to embody and radiate unconditional love. The principle of mentalism: all is mind. Unconditional love begins within and radiates outward. Strengthen the heart chakra to cultivate love without conditions or expectations. Twin Hearts Meditation creates the foundation for this harmonization by aligning your energy body with higher vibrational frequencies and cultivating qualities such as love, compassion, and detachment. Helping to cultivate emotional balance by aligning the heart and solar plexus chakras. This reduces emotional reactivity and allows you to detach from expectations, fostering a more harmonious connection. During meditation on Twin Hearts, visualize your heart glowing with pink and green light, radiating unconditional love to yourself and your twin flame. Now to you, the hidden lectures we've uncovered today are not just teachings, they're gateways to transformation. By embracing these lessons and applying them to your life, you can bridge the gap between you and your twin flame, aligning with love, purpose, and divine timing. Thank yourself for embracing your twin flame journey and uncovering the hidden lectures that connect you to your twin flame. If this video resonated with you, consider joining our vibrant community. Here, we offer exclusive content, personalized pranic healing guidance, and a supportive space to deepen your spiritual practice. Be sure to subscribe and share your experiences and insights, as your story may offer hope and guidance to others walking the twin flame path, supporting each other in creating the reality we desire.